Hi, second graders. Welcome to Math Module 4, Application Problem Bundle. Turn to your next blank page in your math journal. Label the top of your page M4 L18 for Module 4, Lesson 18, and put today's date. Cut out your prompt for Lesson 18 and glue it to the top of your page. Go ahead and pause the video while you do this, then hit play when you're ready to continue. To solve, we're going to use the RDW strategy. First, we will read the problem through one time and visualize. Then go back and circle number words and underline what the problem wants to know. Next, we're going to draw out the problem with a tape diagram, place value chart, a number bond, arrow notation, or another strategy to show your work. Also, don't forget to label. Then we write an equation or number sentence for our problem. Finally, we write our answer in a complete sentence. So let's go ahead and look at today's problem. Whisper read the problem as I read it out loud. Haley and Geo solve 56 plus 85. Geo says the answer is 131. Haley says the answer is 141. Explain whose answer is correct using numbers, pictures, or words. Now I've gone ahead and read the problem through one time. Next, I need to circle my numbers, so pause the video to circle your numbers, then press play when you're ready to continue. You should have circled 58, 56 plus 85, 131, 141. Now I need to find my important information. Haley says, Geo says his answer is 131 and Haley says her answer is 141. The problem wants me to explain whose answer is correct using numbers, pictures, or words. I have gone through, read my problem, and found my numbers and important details. Next, I'm ready to draw. To help me get a better understanding of the problem, I'm going to use a tape diagram to determine what I know about the problem. So, when looking at my problem, I see that I have two parts. I have 56 and 85. So I'm going to put 56 here and then 85 here. I don't know my whole. I know that to find the whole amount, I will need to use the operation of addition. So I'm going to go ahead and set my problem up in a vertical format. So I'm going to say 56 plus 85. To solve this problem, I'm going to use a place value chart along with a chip model. 1, 10, 100. Go ahead and pause the video while you write the problem in a vertical formation and then draw your hundreds chart. Press play when you're ready to continue. I know when I'm adding two numbers together, I always start in the ones place. So I'm going to come over to my hundreds chart and I'm going to show 6 ones. I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause the video and add 56 to your 100 chart. Next, I have to add 85. So I'm going to come back to my hundreds chart. I'm going to add 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add 8 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10. Pause the video while you add this to your problem. Now I'm ready to find the sum. I know when I look at my problem, I have more than 10 ones, so I can bundle 1 10. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move that one bundle over to the tens place, and that's going to give me one new unit. When I go back and look at the ones, I notice that I have one left. Now, I'm going to come to my equation, and I'm going to put a 1 in my ones place. But since I have my new unit in the tens place, I'm going to put a 1 right on the line to help me to remember to add that 1 unit in. Now I'm ready to add the tens place. I'm going to look to see if I can make a bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can. I'm going to circle this bundle, and I'm going to move it to the 100s place. So now I have 1 100, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left over. I'm going to put my 4 tens in the tens place, and then show my new unit on my equal line. Now I'm going to add the hundreds. I have only 1 100, so I'm going to carry that 1 and put it in the ones place and write it on my line, which makes my answer 141. Pause the video as you add this to your journal. Okay, so when I go back to my checkoff list, I know I drew out my problem. I wrote an equation. Last, I need to write my answer in complete form. After looking at the problem, I see that Haley is correct. So I'm going to write Haley is correct because 56 plus 85 does equal 141. If you still have questions, please go back and listen to the video again or get with your teacher.